Hi, this is Nell from the Ivy Tech Community College Libraries. In this video, I'll be showing you how to search using boolean operators. Boolean operators are the words and, or, and not, used in conjunction with quotations and parentheses to narrow or broaden search results and connect pieces of information. For example, to find resources related to both ethics and psychology, I would type in quotations, ethics and psychology. This will result in articles that include both keywords. If you wanted to broaden your search, you would type in ethics or psychology, since that search will show results for both terms. To search for a more specific topic, for example, you could search for, in parentheses, ethical experiments, and have psychology outside of the parentheses. Anything included in parentheses is searched for first. To exclude resources, you would type in ethics, not psychology. That was an overview of how to use Boolean operators to narrow or broaden your search. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.